Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With me Mahathir in my second tutorial of corelDRAW. Okay, today I'm gonna show you again how to make a simple logo in the corelDRAW. Okay, today we are gonna show you how to make a Star Sport TV channel logo. It's so easy. Okay, first of all, you have to click the text tool and you write down sport. Only SMP you type. Okay, change the font Sigui semi bold like this. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, let's see. Okay, click the shape tool, change like this, move it like this. Okay, after that press the Control D button on your keyboard. You can copy the object like this. Okay, double click. Okay, click RT, only RT shape tool, and move it like this. Okay, I'm gonna make a line over here. Pick tool. Okay, my friends, there is no O alphabet because we're gonna make a ellipse tool for the O alphabet. But first of all, we are gonna make a star from this star tool. Okay, while dragging the star tool, hold and drag, you must press the control button on your keyboard too. Okay, like this. Okay, got it. Give it up the color like this over here. Make it small. Yes. Okay, move it. Alright, we're almost done. Okay, this and after that, click the ellipse tool to make a cycle, center. Press the Shift and Control button on your keyboard like this. You see the shape of the stars. If it while press Shift on your keyboard. Oh, it's too far. Okay, like this. After that, press Ctrl D on your keyboard, move it into the center, and track it while press Shift and Control button. But only Shift, yeah, only Shift button. Okay, again. B. Okay, now select the ellipse inside like this, and select the cycle outside like this, and after that press the trim tool like this. Okay, move it, delete the cycle in here, delete it. Okay, and then move the cycle to the center like this. Okay, give it a color or red color. Okay, you see there's a border here. We are gonna move the border. It's the way. Okay, click here and choose no outline. Okay, you see no border. There's no border. And now we are gonna move this alphabet into in front of this red object. Okay, right click, order, in front of, okay, just this thing. Okay, right click, order, move into the front of, okay, this. Okay, I'm gonna select this SPRT. Okay, while press the shift button and select it, I'm gonna make it bolder. Let me just 0.2, maybe 3. Okay, it's 3. Move it, move move it. Okay, you can see over here I'm gonna right click the stars, choose to convert to curves. After that, shape tool. You see there are so many vertex over here, but I'm gonna double click over here. Okay, drag it and put it in here. Right click in this line to curve. After that, put it like this. And here, right click to curve and put it like this. Okay, we almost done. And now you just type star and change the font. Sigu Uisengibo. Put it in here, resize it. Okay, and now, my friends, we have a Star Sport logo. Oh, click here. Maybe you can change the distance of the alphabet. Resize it. Okay. Maybe you can make it more and more. Okay. Okay, my friends, can you see the Star Sport TV channel logo? It is so easy, it is so simple to make it in the corelDRAW. Okay, and I tell you, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and of course comment, like, and share it to your friends. Okay, inshallah, in the next time we're gonna learn together how to make something in corelDRAW. I'm Mahathir. See you in the next time.